My tire's off. I wish Mike could do that. It's got the tire off. Loosen the 3 upper strut bolts. Then loosen your upper ball joint, your sway bar link, and then lower strut bolts down there. Leave your tie rod connected. Like that. Give her flex. Boom.
Yeah, your top spacer will only fit one way. Slides on nice. If you rotate it the wrong way, it absolutely will not go on. Just keep spinning it until you get it to the right holes.
Then we're gonna use muscles because we haven't worked out in a while.
Yeah.
Oh no. Good. Alright, so once you're at this point, when you get the spacer on, take some jacks, take the rest of that ball joint nut off, so you can slide that spacer or that strut back in. And 7/30 seconds for the Allen wrench out there. So this is what broke. Let me get my hand in there. Right there. Alright, go ahead, tell him, boss.
Well, it didn't necessarily break. The from the factory, when they put the nut on the ball joint, there's a 7/30 seconds Allen that holds the ball joint so it doesn't spin, and it was stripped out. So when Emilio and I got to it, it just spun around my Allen, so we had to take it to the shop and get a new upper control arm put on.
You gotta tell them you gotta grind down.
Yeah,
to get that
they
one.
had to, for this specific leveling kit, that's a 2.5. Most of the lift comes from the top. So the factory bolts are actually still in here. You have to grind down and cut off the factory bolts so that you can mount it flush, so that your top bolts will come all the way through, so everything fits like it's supposed to.
So he's got the top spacer on the top of the strut. He's got a thin bottom spacer down here. You just take those clips off that are on there and reinstall the new bolts. Or you didn't get new bolts, did you?
No, use factory bolts.
Yep, just reinstall that, push that strut up, and bolt that bottom spacer down. And put everything back together. Voila. So what do we got there?
39.
39?
39.
Mine's at 38.25.
That's that 2.5, son. Oh, 38.
38 and almost a half.
An eighth. It's probably because it's leaning hardcore this way.
Yeah. Yeah, we probably should do it level. We'll just call it 39. That's pretty fucking even.
38 and 8. If this one's at 38 and 8, I'm gonna shit my fucking pants.
39. Yep.
38 and a half. That's good.
She ain't a fooling me. She thinks my tractor's sexy.